Hey guys, it's Sam. Today I want to talk about how to shop for yourself from my Instagram. I get a lot of questions about how people can purchase the jeans I'm wearing or the shoes or something like that. And I wanted to explain to you this awesome shopping app that you can use called Like to Know It. It's kind of like Pinterest, specific to bloggers, fashion bloggers and stylists. So first thing you need to do is download on your smartphone that little guy. It is the Like to Know It app. And once you have that, it's really easy. You can go to Instagram, and when you have that open, you can go to a particular post. So let's try this one, okay? And this has the same little logo down in the bottom, and that means that I have linked that on Like to Know It. The directions are always in the comments as well, but I'm just giving you this tutorial. So all you need to do then is take a screenshot of the picture, okay? Then you go back to the app, and when you pop open the app, it comes up in your Like to Know It. When that happens, you can scroll down into it, and all of the items that are linked to it are instantly shoppable. And it'll take you, you can go shop, you can add it to a wish list or add it to one of your collections. Then if you want to shop the item, you tap on it and it will take you over to Nordstrom, where the item came from. So that is one way to do shopping from Like to Know It. And it makes it really, really easy. This is a commissioned platform. I want to be transparent about that. So I do make a commission from the different vendors off of items that are purchased from this. So I certainly do appreciate if you shop this way. It doesn't cost you any extra. You can use any coupons or discounts or gift cards or anything that you have to shop those things. But these are my curated collections for different things. I also will have, coming soon, a scroll on my website of my Like to Know It favorites, different things that I'm crushing on at the time. Maybe I don't personally own, but I think it's like the top of the season, or fun gift ideas and things like that. Additionally, I very often link into my blog a particular outfit that I'm wearing, or style ideas for holiday, gift guides, things for the guys. Different shopping items that I've recommended are linked in my blog and often will take you back to the Like to Know It platform. One of the other great things about Like to Know It is once you're in there, you can follow different bloggers and get some style inspiration. So I've got a couple of my favorites in here, like this lady, Jennifer. She goes by the Evolista. She's been doing a bunch of traveling, and I love the looks that she's showing. So she's on there. Then we've got my friend Megan down in Texas and the looks that she's working with. And let's see. Oh, another favorite. She's also from Texas. This is Bethany Simpson. So I have a bunch of my favorites that I'm following, and how you can do that yourself is if you go to the bottom, if you can see it, there's always that little hourglass, okay? And you can do a search and put in the Instagram handle or the name of someone that you're interested in shopping. I really like Blair Edie. And so you can put in Blair Edie's name and it will come up with people who have linked her products into their blog posts. And you can also go to actual influencer searches. So let's say you are looking for me or somebody else, but my Instagram handle is Sam I Am Moxie Mama. And so you would type that in, and if I could spell it myself, then you type that in and go to influencer search, and it will come up, influencer search, and then it'll come up there. And then when you get to the profile, you just would tap the little following button. Once you're in there, you can see the scroll of all of the things that I have linked in, And there are clothing items, gift guides, holiday decor, different things that I've done in the past year or so since I got onto Like to Know It. So that's just a quick tutorial. Obviously, if it's linked in the blog, that's an easy way to do it. On Facebook, I usually put the link that'll take you directly to that item. And that's about it. So I wanted to share that with you. It's a really nice way to help support what I'm doing because I do get paid commission by it. And I also think it's a great way to keep your own shopping organized and look for outfit inspiration and things like that. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And thanks. Bye.